The recipe for fried ricotta is a simple and tasty appetizer, very popular in Italian cuisine. Here is how to prepare it. Ingredients: 250 grams of well-drained ricotta, 2 tablespoons of flour plus more for breading, 2 eggs, breadcrumbs as needed, salt and pepper as needed, oil for frying. Preparation: begin by draining the ricotta well so it loses the excess liquid. You can press the ricotta in a strainer to speed up the process. In a bowl, mix the ricotta with 2 tablespoons of flour, salt, and pepper until you get a homogeneous mixture. Form small balls or cubes with the ricotta mixture, according to the shape you prefer. In a deep plate, beat the eggs with a pinch of salt. Prepare 2 plates with flour and breadcrumbs. Coat the pieces of ricotta first in the flour, then in the beaten eggs, and finally in the breadcrumbs, making sure they are well covered. Heat plenty of oil in a frying pan, and once it has reached the right temperature, fry the ricotta bites until they are golden and crispy. Drain the fried bites on paper towels to remove excess oil. Serve the fried ricotta hot, perhaps accompanied by a side of fresh vegetables or a mixed salad. Curiosity: fried ricotta can be customized in many ways. You can add finely chopped aromatic herbs such as parsley or basil to the mixture, grated Parmesan to give more flavor, or even pieces of cooked or raw ham for a richer touch. Furthermore, some prefer to use salted ricotta instead of fresh, thus obtaining a more intense flavor and a firmer texture.